We're back, and our papalette, our first batch, is ready to go into the sauce. Take the lid off of our sauce for a minute. We're just gonna scoop these up. There's not a lot of oil to drain off, but don't they look beautiful? Little mini meatballs. It's my same delicious meatball recipe that I always use, with a little extra cheese in it today. And that's going right into our, now once with sauce, once you put meat in it, it becomes gravy. Polpettine. All right. And now I have these over here. I just need to roll up a little nicer, and they're gonna go in our pot and get browned off as well. Be back in a little while.